全球的观众朋友们，大家早上好！
欢迎您再次收看菲律宾唯一的中文高清电视节目。You're watching the one and only Filipino Chinese show on HD. This is Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。
December na pala, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. Siyempre, yun, 快到了.
I know, kaya excited na rin ako for the specials na gagawin natin sa ating mga Chinoy barkada.
That's exactly how I feel, pero wag nating i-fast forward, 因为我们今天为你们准备的节目非常非常的精彩 super fun and exciting talaga kasi alam mo ba, nandyan pala yung laser tag fight ni Stephanie, Jason, Benedict at Alice.
At sino talo?
Hindi ko alam, alamin natin yan. Pero mas na-intriga ako, alam mo, nagsimula daw yun sa isang bag of chips.
And for our Chinoy travel, we'll have a freezingly awesome trip sa Trails to Antarctica sa Manila Ocean Park.
At syempre for our Chinoy profile today, Mr. Henry Lim Bon Leong, the CEO and President of the Sterling Group of Companies. 对华商联总会副理事长林玉庆先生.
Exciting, isn't it? So stay tuned, and for all that and more, only here on Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。
Kuya, yung chips nga po na yun. Thank you. Hey, sure mo, basta. Amin yan bakit mo inagaw? Talaga? Oo. Gusto mo, daanin na lang natin dito sa laser tag na ito, ha?
Alam mo, hamon ka na rin lang naman. Hindi mo dyan. Ano?
Simulan na natin, ha?
Oo, sige. Ikaw muna. Muna ka. But before anything else, at bago kami magkasakitan dito, I'm welcoming you to Chinoy Active. I'm Jason Tomas.
And I'm Benedict. Nagbibiroan lang po kami ni Jason. Pero mamaya magtitiis talaga tayo.
不过，观众朋友们，今天这个单元会为你们介绍好玩又刺激的新玩意儿，所以不要错过哦。我是 Alice。
这个单元是为所有喜欢活动的观众朋友们准备的。我是 Stephanie， 欢迎你们收看 Chinoy Active。
Litos, Falcon, Whitecap, and Raven. 这是我们主持人的外号，mga codename ng ating mga Chinoy host na ready na for the battle. 让我们一起去一趟国内最先进的雷射中心吧。Laser Extreme dito lang sa Chinoy Active.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Yes, my name is Rose, and you're here in our briefing room. And you're going to watch a video first, the mechanics of the game, the rules and regulations, and how to use the vest. So, please listen carefully to the video, and then if you have any questions, you can ask me later, okay? And then please follow all the rules and regulations, especially no running, because one of the cause of the accident inside the gaming arena is due to running. Okay? So, please no running. Don't run. Watch the video first.
How to play. For codename, look at the LCD behind Phaser. Pull trigger to reveal codename. Phaser contains a sensor in front that must be covered at all costs. Aim at opposing players blinking lights on vest and on Phaser. Tag opposing player by pulling the trigger. When tag is successful, your pack will confirm tag with this sound. 50 points for the shoulders and Phaser. 200 points for the front. 100 points for the back. No running. No climbing on walls or scenery. No physical contact with other players. No lying down or sitting on the floor. No
Ready?
Yes.
Ready.
enjoy.
Workout.
Pero nakakainis, ang unang pagkakamali ko, hindi ko ito hinawakan or else.
Grabe, alam mo ako, pagod na pagod ako, yung blood ko keeps on flowing, para ako nag-cardiovascular exercise.
Exactly. Ngayon napipil ko na yung mga napipil ng militar. Pero tayo, safe.
Saka cute. Alam mo, Tessa, hindi mo sa action movie tayo.
Okay.
Action movie.
Joke lang, joke.
Ay, ano?
So, paano? Kami yung nanalo eh. Kaya, diretso na. Hey, yung snacks namin. Di ba? Bet tayo.
Bye-bye.
Galing.
Thank you. Nag-practice ako gabi.
Kamusta? Hi, sir. How was the game? Ay, wait. Bago lahat, mga Chiroy Barkada, we have here the marketing manager of Laser Extreme, Mr. Rich Valdelion. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami ngayon. Bukod sa bawas na kami ng calories, ayan, sobrang masaya pa.
Yes, oo. Actually, kahit na 15 minutes lang yung game, no, realize nyo na talagang nakakapagod siya at talagang enjoy.
Sir, and we would like to learn more about Laser Extreme. Sino po nagsimula nito at kailan siya nagsimula?
Okay. It was brought here by Mr. Marshall and his wife Linde.
Can you tell us more about the game mechanics?
Laser tag is pretty much like paintball, but instead of using or having projectiles, we only use lasers. So, mas safe siya para sa mga bata and sa mga matatanda rin, no risk of getting injured.
Generally, there's no limitations on who can play and who cannot play.
Wala. You can play laser tag for as long as you're 6 years old and above.
Oh, pwede mong dalhin buong pamilya mo.
Tama, ikaw rin.
Lolo.
Magbarilan tayo dito. Time frame po nitong game na ito, gano'ng katagal po siya?
It's 15 minutes and then 5 minutes briefing before the game.
15 minutes pa.
Ako,
Pero pawis na pawis na tayo. Payat ko na.
since pwede maglaro mula bata hanggang matanda, it's not harmful naman for anybody or anong risk ang pwedeng
Yes, actually I can assure you that laser tag is 100% safe from kids to adults.
Okay naman pala, balik
Mga
tayo.
Chinoy Barkada, just come over at Market or at Alabang Town Center and we'll assure you that you'll have a great time.
There you have it, mga Chinoy Barkada. Laser Extreme is definitely a world-class laser house arena here in the Philippines.
Tama ka dyan, Steph. And aside from that, itong laser tag ay pwede rin gamitin na venue para sa mga team buildings.
Tama ka dyan, Benedict. A world-class game na talagang mag-e-enjoy and magbabond ang family at mga friends.
所以你们还在等什么呢？过来试试看吧。
So thank you very much, Chinoy Barkada, for being with us here on Chinoy Active.
I hope you enjoyed as much as we did. So tutok lang dyan dahil marami pa kami sorpresa na ihatid sa inyo. Dito lang sa Chinoy TV! Say what, 电视台